Good afternoon, everyone. So here we are going to start with the first file program. Now, before that, I would like to tell you that we are going to create the file by using write mode. Then we are going to write 0 to 5 numbers into the file. Then we are going to close. Again, we are going to reopen the file in read mode. Then we are going to retrieve that those 0 to 5 numbers on the turbo C black output screen. So here we are going to start with the things. So you can see the file in front of you. So here we are going to start with the hash include stdio.h. Then here we are going to start with the main function, then open curly bracket of main. As we are going to write file, then we are declaring the file data type with the pointer. So here file pointer asterisk symbol we are going to use. The name of the file pointer I'm taking as fp. Then here we are going to write clr. You better know that it is used to clear the screen in an output. So here we are going to open first file in the write mode. We are going to use same file pointer which we have declared here. So fp is equal to, the syntax is f open in round bracket in double quote the name of the file. So here I'm going to create new file. Name is b.txt double quote complete comma, though it is a new file. So we are going to open this first file in write mode, double quote complete bracket complete semicolon. So this is the syntax which we are going to open the file in write mode. So now we are going to put 0 to 5 numbers into the b.txt file. So for that purpose we are using for loop. In for loop I'm going to define one variable of type integer. I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than equal to 5. Then we are going to increment I. So we are going to write here I plus plus. Then opening the for loop, here we are going to put 0 to 5 numbers into b.txt. To put these numbers one by one in b.txt, we are going to write here f printf statement. You can see, check the spelling. And then your file pointer, we have used fp in double quote percent %d, as I is carrying the values, so percent %d conversion character according to I. Then here within which variable the numbers are saved, which is nothing but I, so we are writing here I. Then close curly bracket, and here f close what, that is fp, that is file pointer. So now we have opened the file in write mode. We have put the 0 to 5 numbers into the b.txt through this statement, and now we have close. Now all the numbers are saved in b.txt. We have to now one by one read this number, and we want to print it on the turbo c output. So again we are going to open the file. So same syntax you have to write. So f open, then in round bracket again the name of the file is b.txt, which we have used earlier, and comma in read mode we are going to open the file. Then here close. Now one by one we are going to read, but till what? So we have to tell compiler that till end of the file. So here we are going to use while loop till not file end of file of what, that is fp. So you can see majorly fp we have used here. Then your c is equal to one variable we are here taking of type character, where they are going to read 0 to 5 numbers. So yes, though they are numbers, still it is considered as character, so we are taking it in c. So f get c, it is reading from whom, that is file pointer. So here we have not declared integer I as we have used in for loop, then character c as we have used to read the value. So here one by one the value 0 to 5 numbers are now in c. we are going to put it in on a black screen. So again we are going to use for this puts here. So you can see the difference. If by using fgets, we are reading 0 to 5 number, and to print it on the black screen we are using here put chc. So we are not using put c, we are using put ch. Then here we are going to close the while loop. Then of course we have to close properly the file in read mode. Then here to stop your particular screen get ch, and we are not returning any thing, so we are going to put here um, return 0, and of course space we have to give. Then here close. So again by using file, that alt f, here we are going to save the file. After alt f9 we have to compile the program. So you can see there are 0 error, 0 warning. Then now here we are going to run our program.